I took it about a year ago to a locksmith, and he tried 2 different devices and could not get the keyfob program. So I was like, well, I'll just try with you since you're doing this, and maybe you can figure it out. This is the one that works.
So I'm gonna just check these keys real fast.
Okay.
And then if they're good, I'll program them.
Yeah, he said something about the computer didn't want to communicate, and you have to re-flash it, and I was like, holy shit.
The computer on your car?
On this car, yeah.
Oh. I mean, it shouldn't. So he never even got. Did he cut the keys for you or no? Are these cut?
No, I just bought those ones online.
Okay.
The keys for the sliding door he did cut, and they still don't work. So.
Oh, gotcha.
I
Okay.
made her car work on first, so she went for work. Too,
Okay.
So.
Okay. Yeah. Let me try to program them real quick. That key to do. Let's close my door so it's not dinging. Try to move this seat back as far as we can do. Let's put her key on the roof of the car. Make sure it's not already in. Uh-oh. Is this key programmed? Maybe I'm too close. Let's take all keys out. Make sure the car is not starting.
Yeah, hopefully it works. Like, 'cause I don't like having the keyfob using the document.
No key. Yeah. So this key's programmed to your car. I'm gonna check the other one. It's possible. Wait, this key's definitely programmed. Hold on. This is the other one. Yeah, this is the one that works. This one is the other one that doesn't work.
There's 2 that are, we only have one working. So one does work.
They both work. Batteries are dead.
I think I ordered them, and I bought them because he's like, oh, he said, if you want another one, I only charge you for one. So I was like, okay, I'll order another one. So I brought him both, and he tried to do both.
You programmed them.
He said it wasn't working. He said it wasn't communicating. Did he not even think about the batteries could be just dead in it?
I guess.
So they've been okay this whole time.
I mean, I'll change the battery. Let's change the battery. Hold on.
I have batteries, so.
You have?
Yeah.
Here,
yeah.
bring them out. Bring them out.
Is that what you said?
So you have a programming slot inside your vehicle where you can start the car even if the key has a dead battery. So I stuck the key in there and the car started. Does that make sense? So
But they unlock the doors.
give me one which one works? So put one of those.
I think this is the one, her original.
This is the original?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so for example, this key, right?
So these would be the extra ones.
So right now, with this key, there's a slot right down here.
Yeah, that's where she always sticks it.
Only if you need to.
Yeah.
Only down there. Oh, that's not. It is not. Now it's not. Maybe I was too close. Maybe they don't work. Let me try this one. Oh, it's far enough away.
Oh, you mean with the one that does work?
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, they don't work. So
okay.
Let me program them.
Okay.
Yeah.
I took it off for you. Yeah, I don't like all these newer cars. I just like an old.
I think it's like a 2011. Yeah.
I don't like all this programming. How's your day going?
It's going good.
Yeah. A little bit cooler today. That's nice.
Yeah. Hang on. So clean this up. Okay. Let's just start again. Well, at this point, I don't even really need the machine. Pull the key out. Key in. Should blink 5 times. Oh, we're gonna have to use the machine. Okay. Nissan by vehicle. Ah. Database error. Ooh, what the heck's going on with this car? Okay, turn off. There it goes, it's blinking. I just took this key. Next key, yes. Change the key. And turn on, it should blink 5 times. There it goes. Just took this key. Next key, yes. I got the original key. Did work, so next key, yes. Turn off. Blink 5 times, perfect. I'm saying failure, but it took the keys. So we're gonna pull this key out. Put one of these in. Pull the key out. Okay, secure lights is staying on. Perfect. Well, sometimes the machine will say failure, but definitely took the keys. So. And then this one too. All right, it's all done. Okay, the keys are in.
You're good?
Yeah. An hour?
Yeah.
How long did it take me?
5 minutes. So I was like, I always get second opinions, you know, on things, so.
I mean, it was acting weird, but it was taking the keys, so. As long as you know to watch that security light.
Dude, well, yeah.
All right, let me cut those backup keys. Okay, let me see that, that sliding glass door. If I'm already cutting keys, I might as well do them all at the same time.
Okay, so this is the key.
That works right now?
This is the one that works.
Where's the door at?
This one? So,
Oh, right here, okay.
So I went to Ace Home Depot, and then the guy who was trying to do the key fobs, he even cut this twice, and it still wouldn't work.
What key is that? Anything?
So this is the original key.
Define. Okay, define is fitting in. 1 second.
So,
They tried to cut it twice and it didn't work.
so I went to Ace Home
The
Depot,
model was fit in.
and then the keys, the locksmith, he did it, didn't work. He went back, he filed it down a little bit, and then it still didn't work, so I gave up.
So this one works really good.
That's the one that came with it.
Okay.
Yeah, it came with 2, but we need more than 1.
Yeah.
Oh, we need more than 2. I like just having backups again.
I mean, these keys are not cut right at all. You can see. If
Yeah,
you,
and I said he did it twice because I went
well,
back.
look how deep that cut is
Yeah.
compared to yours. So this one, it's
yeah.
not similar at all.
And I can even when I first brought it back, I was like, this look, you can tell it was just like thicker. He filed that down.
These cuts are the issue.
The problem.
Yeah, they're not.
But that's what he was like. Oh yeah, you can see it's thicker than this one.
Yeah, look at this compared to that. The end of the key. See that?
Yep.
So, okay, I'll cut it.
Yeah. It was just. That's why I kind of gave up. Like I need to have some people down here.
Yeah. All right, give me a few minutes. I'll get them all cut.
Oh, you're awesome.
Thanks. I'm gonna do the easy one first, which would be the car key. If you want, you could try all those keys out for the vehicle. If you want, you could test all the keys out, make sure they all start the car.
Oh, okay.
I didn't actually do that. Make sure we got a code. We did. 1, 2, 4, 3, 3. 1, 2, 2. Okay. Cut these. Am I in the way?
Do you need to leave? Oh, he's.
Let's try these out. Should have tested them one by one, but I got a key code and they looked exactly the same, so I think we're good. There we go. It's probably the original. That should work fine. Okay, that's that. Let's check this sliding glass door key now. Just read it. I will thin my keys out a little bit just to get them smoother once we're done. W. Next. Decode. Another one right away. All right, let's check it. Get the key stuck in there. Look at me. Don't worry. Hold on. Let me get a wrench. Shave it a little bit. It'll be good. Gotta find that. Watch my video and see where I put the original key down. Oh, there it is. A little bit more.